Simple and easy process. So make sure you follow me till the end to get a good idea on how you can do this. So as you're here on the home page of Evernote, you can go ahead and click on Notes. Once you're here in Notes, you can click on Ctrl+A or select any one of the notes that you want to back up. Since I'm going to back up all the notes for this video, I have clicked on Ctrl+A, and once all the notes have been selected, you can click on the three dots over here. It says More Actions, just click on it and click on the Export button. Once that is done, make sure that the ENEX format or the ENEX format is selected and export these into a secure location so that once you reinstall Evernote or want to use it on another device, you can copy all of these files and regain access to all of your notes. This is a simple and easy way to back up all your files within the free account of Evernote. So all you have to do is click on Export, save them over here in Downloads or wherever that you feel like they'll be there for a while. Just click on Save, and yeah, once it is done, you can easily import them once you reinstall the application or you want to reinstall them on another device. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can easily back up your notes in Evernote. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.